Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, translating languages, and generating text or images. AI is already present in our daily lives in many ways. When you ask a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa a question, when Netflix recommends a series based on what you have watched before, or when your email automatically filters spam messages, you are interacting with AI. Self-driving cars, medical diagnosis tools, and facial recognition systems are also examples of AI technology that is rapidly changing the world. One of the most significant recent developments in AI is the emergence of large language models, such as ChatGPT. These systems can hold conversations, write essays, summarize documents, translate text, and even write computer code. They have opened up exciting new possibilities for education, business, and creative work. However, AI also raises important concerns. Many people worry that AI will replace human workers in a wide range of industries, leading to unemployment and increased inequality. Others are concerned about privacy, since AI systems collect and analyze enormous amounts of personal data. There are also fears about the spread of misinformation, as AI can be used to create realistic fake images, videos, and texts. Despite these concerns, most experts agree that AI is not going away. The key challenge for society is to develop and use AI in a way that is ethical, transparent, and beneficial for everyone, not just for a privileged few.